In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write notes on your Apple Watch. First of all, we have to install the Notes app on our watch. So press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to open the App Store. In App Store, search for Notes for Apple Watch. Notes for Apple Watch. And here you get this Note app. Just go ahead and install the Note app from this App Store. Once the Notes app installed, now on whenever you want to write note, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to open the Notes app that you just installed. And here, tap on this new note at the top right. And now you can just go ahead and write your notes just like this. And then tap on done to save the notes. And here you get all of your created notes. And you can also make a voice notes by tapping on voice notes.